What you need to know about the stock market. Many people avoid investing in the stock market because they think it's confusing or complicated. Don't be one of these people. Learn everything you can about how the stock market works so that you can make wise investments. Read the tips below to learn how to make money by investing in the stock market. Have you done some short selling? This method of investing includes loaning shares of stock. An investor can borrow shares if he agrees to return them at a specified date. The investor can sell the borrowed shares, and then repurchase the same number of shares when the price declines. Because the stock is sold at a higher price than the price to replenish it, this investment method can yield healthy profits. Be sure you invest over an array of different stocks. The money you invest, like the proverbial eggs, should not all go into the same basket. As an example, if you choose to invest your entire budget in one company and that company goes under, you will have sacrificed everything. When you choose an equity to invest in, don't allocate more than 10% of your portfolio into that company. This will greatly reduce the likelihood of your equity being totally wiped out in the case of a rapid stock decline. Save money by trading online. Search online for firms that offer cheap stock trading. Quite often, their fees are much lower than traditional brokerage firms. A regular broker will usually charge a high commission, just to make a simple stock trade on your behalf. If possible, try to pay between $7 and $10 per trade. Choose a broker that works both full service as well as online in order to have the most flexibility. This way you'll be able to dedicate part of it to a professional and still handle part of it yourself. This will give you professional assistance without giving up total control of your investments. If you are saving for retirement, keep in mind that your portfolio mix will adjust over time. It is recommended that young savers start with 80% of their portfolio in aggressive stocks and then move 1 percentage point a year into more conservative assets, as these savers get older. This gradually shifts the portfolio towards safety, while still leaving plenty of room for growth and compounding. If you want safe stocks to buy and then hold for long-term results, find companies that feature 4 facets. First, you won't see proven profit with any kind of earnings over each of the previous 10 years. Second, look for stock dividends paid out once a year for the last 20 years. Also, look out for high interest coverage, as well as low debt to equity ratios. Now that you've watched this video, you should understand the basics of investing in the stock market. It's time to take some calculated risks and start investing. Refer to the tips you've just read to help you figure out what to do if you get stuck. Soon you'll be investing like a pro. Now that you have a clear idea about trading, are you ready to start for free? Yes, you can access for free the best online trading platform that will help you fly over the tiring process of trials and errors. Start today for 100% free and enjoy the following 14 videos tutorial will help you to get started for free. Whether you're an EA programming guru or an absolute beginner, a video tutorial will take you step by step through how to create your own indicators and strategies without writing a single line of code. Scroll down the page below to see the first video on how to create a simple but useful indicator. Scroll down to video tutorials and play the YouTube video. And there's much more inside. You will learn how to design, backtest and optimize a winning strategy. It doesn't matter whether you're using MetaTrader or TradeStation, the videos are made for both platforms. 1. How to create indicators. 2. How to create strategies. 3. Daily breakout strategy. 4. Daily breakout with pending orders. 5. Strategy optimization. 6. Money management demonstration. 7. Trendline breakout automated entry. Check out the first video in the description. Your fellow mega winning trader, Barthelemy MC.